Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video we are going to discuss about all the objective questions that had come in the past university question paper. Okay, so whatever in the past paper, whatever objectives have come, the answers to that are going to be there in this particular video. Along with that, some extra objectives that you need to cover up from each module, which will help you to solve all types of objectives that can be either MCQs, yeah, true or false, or match the column. Okay, again a very important video for all the TYBMS Sem V student under the subject Logistic and Supply Chain Management, also known as LSCM. So let us see what objectives had come in the past papers and what was their correct answers. So first is November 2018. Under that, the very first set of questions were MCQs. You can go through it once. The correct answers are marked along with it. Okay, here are the next set of MCQs. Okay, along with the MCQs, the next set of questions were match the columns. Okay, next was April 2019 paper. Under that, the first set of questions were MCQs. Okay, here are the next set of MCQs. Okay, next set was match the columns. You all can go through it once. Okay, next was November 2019 question paper. Under that, the first set was match the columns. Okay, along with that, there were MCQs. These are the first set of MCQs. Okay, these were the next set of MCQs. Okay, next was November 2022. Under that, the first set was again MCQ. Here are the first set of MCQs among them. Here are the next set of MCQs. Next, we have true and false. Okay, next was April 2023 question paper. Under that, the very first set is MCQs again. Here is the next set of MCQ. After that, we had the next part was true and false. Next, November 2023, first set is MCQs. Next set of MCQ. Next is true and false. Okay, next is November 2024. First is MCQ. These are the next set of MCQ. Next was map the columns. Okay, next is April 2025, but the thing is in April 2025, that's basically the ATKT paper, there was none of the backlogs, so they didn't have a logistic paper. Okay, so those are all the past papers ka objectives which are very important base. You're gonna have to go through it. Now along with that, some extra objectives that you need to cover up. With these objectives, you will see these are all MCQs, but you will be able to cover up all your aspects, that is your true or false and your math the column, once you go through all these objectives. Okay, so chalo, one by one I'll be going through the objectives. You all can have a note of it, or you can take a screenshot of it. So this is from unit 1. Next, 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 next. Now this is from unit 2. Next, 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 next is module 3. Next, 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 next. See, all the objectives are very important, okay? Majority of them have already come in past papers also, if you will go through them. Next, okay, this is the next one. Now we are coming at the verge of ending it, okay? Next, next, okay, this is the 4th module which we are right now on. Okay, next, okay, and these are the last set of MCQs. So these are all the important topics or MCQs that you need to cover up from the entire module, all the entire syllabus, okay? So if you have done this, it will cover up all your MCQs and your math columns also, okay? Chalo, so I hope everyone have noted it down. Chalo, with that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.